Hey guys, I'm going to do this look right here today, and this is inspired by Sonam Kapoor's wedding makeup tutorial. And if you guys want to know how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the Geeky Hadid eyebrow pencil. Yes, and I'm going to fill in my brows so that I have no sparse gaps and my brows look good and all nice. And then I will move on to my primer. I will use the Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel as my primer today. This will help the makeup to stick onto my face for a longer period of time, and also this has a gel-like formulation, so it is very good for summer months as it will not leave any oil in your face. And then I'm just using the Kiss Beauty Conceal Contour palette and taking a orange color corrector. I'm just color correcting my under eyes just to cut off the dark circles and pigmentations around my mouth area, and I'll also use it in my upper lid area just to balance both the colors of the different colors going on in my upper lid and lower area. So this way my eyes will look fresh and will pop out. Just the usual. I will use the same color around my mouth area, yes, as I have some pigmentations there also. Yes, just like that. And taking my beauty blender, I am going to dab the product in to settle in my skin and just to give me a fresh and radiant finish. You can see how good this part of my face is looking right now. Yes. And then we'll move on to our foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. This is a very good foundation. It has such a skin-like finish. If you have seen my other previous videos, you will know this is one of my favorite foundation. So yeah, I already have too much on my face, so I'm not applying it on my neck separately, but will use it on the neck area also. This may look too white right now, but give it some time and let it oxidize, and it will give a very good finish. Yeah. This is not as white as it is looking, so don't worry. And then taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, I'm just going to highlight my under eye area. Yes, so that my eyes look fresh and all good. And I'm also using it as an eye primer on my upper lid area, and I'm done with blending also. And then taking a white compact powder, I'm just powdering under my under my eyes, just so they do not crease and do not secrete any sort of oil. It's just like that. And then I'm just bronzing a bit. I'm not contouring because Sonam did not have a hard contouring going on. So yeah, I'm just bronzing the cheekbone area and also the jawline so that my pictures come out good. Just like that. Yeah. Nothing different, nothing too fancy, just the usual. Yes, and now taking blush, I'm going to go cheeky because Sonam had a lot of blush on her cheeks, and yeah, I'm going to follow that. You see how much pink is there? And then highlighting. Like Sonam did not have so much highlighter on her face, but I went overboard, but don't worry. I will I will just take the beauty blender and will just dab over it so that there are no harsh edges or lines, and there's a healthy finish, glow on it, healthy glow on it. And then I will move on to my eyes. I'm taking a brown shade, darker brown shade. I'm just putting in my crease line just for some definition. Yeah, just like that. And then from another palette, I will take a pink color and just apply it on my upper lip area. Just like that. I will apply and reapply the pink so that the color pop out, because it is the showstopper. Yes, just like that. I will also just concentrate it on the outer part of my eyes, outer corner. Yes, just in this area, so that there is a good transition. Yes, yeah, just like that. I'm just concentrating the color there, and then taking a black color, I am just going to create a smoky effect. Yes, I'm just concentrating the black in the outer corner so that there is a wing as well as a transitional shade as well as a smokiness. I hope you get me. Yes, and then I will take the same black color in my lower lash line also, just so there is a balance going on and my lower lash line doesn't look blank. Yes, just like that. And then taking a silvery sort of a shade, yes, I will just highlight the inner area of my eye, and I will also highlight my inner corner of my eye with the same color, same highlighting color. Yes, just like that. See, it just makes your eyes look so fresh and so good. Yes, just like that. And then I will just move on to my eyeliner. Yes, and now I'm highlighting my inner corner. I just forgot to say this. And then taking the Gigi Hadid eyeliner pen, I'm just creating a short wing liner. Just like that. Sonam did not have a big wing liner, like a great dramatic wing liner, so I will also go for a short wing liner today. Yeah, and then just filling in my liner gaps. This is a game changer totally. And I'm also done with applying false lashes and mascara, and then I'm just using a pink color in my lips. This is a gradient, lip gradient, and then I will just smudge the color so that it does not concentrate in only one area, and I will just equally spread it all over my lips. Hope you get it. And then actually Sonam did not have a full red lip going on, so I'm just trying to achieve the similar color. So yeah. And then taking the True lip liner in the red color, I will just go on top over it so that I get a similar sort of a shade. I don't know which lip color she went for, but I'm just trying to achieve the shade. Hope I achieved it. Yeah, and I am almost done. And yeah, we are all done with this look. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.